Hi everybody, I'm back. I made a 4-inch size of that giant peony. This is what it looks like. And there's the side of it. So, I don't know what it would be even smaller than this. I'm thinking about maybe just trying a 2-inch one, because see how small these are? I mean, they're not that small. I could just try and see, but it is a very tall, I mean, it is literally like a real true peony. To me, that would be kind of like what, in New York anyway, they grow that big. And this time I used Recollections. Did I use Recollections? No, I used some kind of paper I got from Tuesday Morning a long time ago. It was kind of cheap. This is Recollections paper, and it cut fine, and it's a little bit sturdier. And this time I used down here, see if you can see here, this is the construction of it. I went ahead and did hot glue, and that's how I did it. I bent these back. But I want to play with it and see if I can make these flowers a little bit more flat, because I was hoping I could make this to embellish like a frame, a big frame. But again, it would probably be cuter as a little centerpiece. Jan, your comment about the baby shower or the wedding showers, or a wedding, or even a baby shower, if it was a little girl one. And I was starting to think like my ladies retreat for my church, that would be cute. And you know what else? If you put those votives, those battery operated candles, and put them in the middle, wow, don't you think that would be so stunning? And then just kind of lay a few of these, or one big giant one in the middle of the table. That would be really sweet for any kind of really ladies event. Mother's Day, oh, Mother's Day. We do a Mother's Day luncheon at our church. That would be nice. Yeah, I think it'll come in handy. I just don't think I would use these on a regular basis. But if I made a few and put them in a basket and then use them in the middle of a table, you know, that would be nice. Easter will be pretty to make a little centerpiece. I just don't make a lot of home decorative items. So I'm going to try and see if I can make one without using this base, because basically what it is, it's this like a kind of like a cylindrical base, and then all of these flower petals go into the base, and that's what creates the flower. Okay, and then I was thinking, somebody left me a comment about the smooch on flowers, and yes, I like the smooch spritz. I just have a hard time with the smooch stuff that comes in the little bottle that looks like a nail polish. I just haven't really had too much, I don't know, just not excited about it. I'm sure I can find something to do with it, because I always do. It's just a matter of being creative. But yeah, it would be nice. I could probably spritz this with the smooch to give it some color and stuff. So I'm going to try it a little bit smaller. I'm going to see what happens if I make the petals 2 inches. Oh, and then I used one 12 by 12 and a half for the creamy part, and then the yellow was a 6-inch by 6-inch piece of yellow cardstock from Recollections, and that's all that this one took. That big old flower over there, in case you're not, hold on, let me, oops, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to turn this thing so I wouldn't have to, let's see, that one over there on my eyelet. That is one big flower, and I agree, it is pretty. That one took, I want to say like 15 pieces of cardstock, which hurt me because I hate using up my paper, because I'm a paper hoarder. Yes, I said it. So anyway, that's that. Okay, and I think I'm going to play a little bit more, and then I want to try to do a layout, because I haven't done a layout in a couple days. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.